Welcome, Sylvan welcomes you. Today, I want to handle a topic that will be of interest to you, running convertible ads. Have you ever seen this kind of story? Oh, not again. Oh, why is it always happening to me like this? I thought these ads will grow. I thought I'm going to make a lot of money from these Facebook ads. I've wasted this money again. Man, I feel for you. But the truth of the matter is this, you are not alone. Many people, I said many people, including myself, have faced that kind of problem several times. If I was able to stumble into this training, which I would like you to learn today. Okay? Of course, in this training, we're going to teach you how you can run effective Facebook ads that convert. Yeah, ads that convert. But before the training, let me give you a piece of advice. And let me tell you what, if you listen to this advice and you apply them right here and now, even without or before coming to the training, you run an ads that will convert. And for you to run a converting ads, you want to know, why is my ads not converting? And that's also part of what you are going to learn on this training. So the advice I want to give you now is exactly part of what you are going to learn on this training. So without much ado, let us show you what you are going to learn. And part of it, we answer the question, why your ads is not converting right now. I tell you, over 100% of people, no, let me know it's over 100, let's say 60% of people, or 80% of people, or even 90% of people who run ads on Facebook and it doesn't convert is because of these three major reasons. There are many other reasons, but I tell you these three are major. Let me show you the third you are going to learn if you are in this class, and that is creating high converting ads. Creating high converting ads. Yes, and this has to do with two things. One, design visually appealing ads that capture attention. And two, writing compelling copy, sales copy that drives click and conversion. You see these two things I mentioned to you. Oh, you don't know how powerful they are. Maybe you've not been taught about them. Let me tell you one thing. Those who comes to Facebook, they didn't come there to come and start buying and paying and stuff like that. No, it's not like Jumia. It's not like AliExpress. No, they are coming there for fun. They want entertainment, not to go part with their money. So for that reason, they always targeting the scripts. Those who are running scripts like all these movie scripts, what made them laugh, what made them happy, yeah, stuff like that. That's what they are targeting. So you now bring your market to sell for them. You just have to capture their attention. How do you do that? So you agree with me that that is one of the most important thing that we need to do. And this is what exactly we're going to break it down for you, teach you, and show you how you can do it. Of course, things are easy, like I said, because of AI, okay, prompt engineering. But do you have prompt engineering certificate? No, you don't have a certificate. Do you know how to give the right prompt? I'm talking to you, I have the certificate as a prompt engineer. So I know the right prompt to give, and I'm going to teach you also on these ads, okay? How to run ads on social media. So you see that you're going to learn a lot, man. So this is a major problem that I believe you are facing. Be able to sort it out now by designing visually appealing ads that captures attention. Then also write a compelling sales copy, okay, that drives clicks and conversion. So able to do these two things, I tell you, your ads will convert. It may not be 100%, but at least you'll be glad that yes, I can now run a converting ads. Why, if you now combine every other thing I'm going to taught you together, then we are sure of close to 80-90% of ads conversion. Whatever your goal, is it to increase your audience view? Is it to increase your Facebook followership or YouTube subscriber? Is it to increase your video view? Is it to sell market? Is it for traffic? Whatever it is, man, all these things is a factor. They come across, okay? These two dimensions comes across. So what else are you going to learn? And I believe this have answered your question. You can go and practice it and see if you're not going to get a positive result. If you didn't get positive result, then don't believe me next time. So let's continue to what you're going to learn. We also teach you, first of all, let's start with the beginning, introduction to Facebook ads. There we show you how you can understand the basis of Facebook Ads Manager. Because when you know Ads Manager and how it works, you can know how to fashion or position your ads in line with the goal of Facebook Ads Manager. So you have to learn that. Watch out for that training. We also take you starting up your Facebook business account. There you will learn how to create Facebook page, how to create Facebook account and optimize your business account, okay, for professional ad campaign. Because you just have to optimize it. It's not about creating a Facebook page and you leave it like that. No, no. You must optimize it, man. Optimize it for sales, for professional ads, okay? We talk about number three, which I told you is one of the 80 or 90% of failures in today. So let's move to number four because we don't want to overkill ourselves on that. Number four, deal with targeting the right audience. So I'm going to show you how you can target the right audience. Okay. First, we have to discover what we are producing. What are you advertising on, and who will be the right audience for this ads? Ask yourself that question. Answer within yourself, and I tell you that will also shape the ads you want to run. So there you talk about how you can define your ideal customer, how you can use advanced targeting features like custom audience, lookalike audience, and the rest of them. But let me tell you one thing, I don't want to deceive you. Facebook has made things easy. Facebook algorithm is far smarter now. So they can actually help us to know all these things and bring them up for us. Okay, using advanced budgeting. Okay, so that may be easy for us. We won't talk more, dwell more on this because Facebook is already up in this game. So take it to business for success. Okay, target budgeting for success. Then you are going to learn how to set up your budget that maximize your return on investment. Because it matters. Your budget has a long way in maximizing your ROI, which is return on investment. They also show you how you can choose between daily and lifetime budget. And they'll take you to ad types and objective. What is the objective of your ads? What do you want to achieve? What is your goal? We take you through all of this, okay? And then we also show you A/B testing mastery. From there, take you to analyzing, optimizing campaign. Like here, you learn how to use analytics tools to track performance, how metadata can drive decision for optimizing your ads. Okay, so analytics will come in place there. And from that, we take you to remarketing strategies. And then you now take to how you can scale your campaign. Running an effective ads is not just for 1 week or 1 month. No. If your ads is performing very well, why should you close it? Tell me, why should you close it? It's because it's not performing that makes you to close it. If it's performing, you keep on, running the ads. So we show you how you can actually, scale over time. Okay. So, and that will bring us to how to run profitable WhatsApp ads for business. So these are what we're going to cover. And remember, it's a lifetime access. Once you've made this token payment, we actually made the price to be so low, so cheap that you have nothing to lose. That all you need to do is just tell yourself, let me give these people a try. Let me give them a try. If they perform very well, I gain. If they didn't perform very well, I have nothing to lose. That's why this campaign with just 1,000 naira, I repeat, 1,000 naira, you can join this class and learn all of this. And I tell you what, we are going to perform well. You are going to give us testimony. And you're going to write review for us because we know we know what we want to do. We know what to prepare for. And we know why we are here. So we also have access to our premium tools, how to use ChatGPT for ad copy and campaign. I'm going to show you. I told you I'm a prompt engineer, so I'm going to show you prompts that you can use to optimize results. So tell that don't worry, Jerry. Just go to Meta AI. Just go to ChatGPT. Just write anything. They will get, man. Remember, computer is garbage in, garbage out. I'm a web developer, so I know what I'm talking about. If you programming a computer, is what you program the computer to do. That's what he will do to you. You give him a very good prompt, he will give you an effective result. Give him a bad prompt, he will also give you a bad result. And that will also translate to the campaign objective and your campaign results. Okay. So we'll be able to discuss us privately and have so many other advantages in being with us on this Facebook ads training. It's not just Facebook, it's social media ads training. Okay. So we have bonuses I would like you to go through. I would like to end this class or end this talk without mentioning the bonuses. We have two major bonuses that you will not want to miss. Yeah. One of them is the best way to advertise your e-commerce, affiliate, and dropshipping business for free. Like your Shopify. For those of us who live in Shopify, I actually run a Shopify account. and also show you how you can do this one by one, but not in this training, but there's a training on that ongoing about that. Okay, so if you want that, let me know. Then we also show you the best affiliate method that pays you 100%. Today affiliate marketers are making money. Though I won't deceive you, it's still hard work, okay? But by the time you do the hard work, you put on the necessary thing and you start gaining it, you'll be glad that you did. So we are going to show you how you can actually got 100%, okay, from your affiliate. So these two bonuses, I believe you don't want to miss them. They are far more than 100,000. But what do you put the cost on? Just 1,000. Because we actually want you to give us a try. And I tell you, a trial will convince you. You'll be glad that you are in this class. So that wasting time. We are waiting for you in the class. Come over. Let us go to this hour's campaign. Thank you.